Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we're going to take a look at anchoring with the Bosch Speed Clean dust extracting bits. These are an sds-plus or sds-max drill bit that's connected to a vacuum. They have two ports in the end of the drill bit, and as you drill, it will suck up all that dust that's created, pull it up through the bit and into the vacuum, leaving a very clean hole. Now these are OSHA approved, so you do not have to use a respirator while using them. And their sds-plus bits go from 7/16 inch up to 3/4, and they provide sds-max bits from 3/4 up to 1 3/8 inches. Now all of them are different lengths depending on the size that you get to give you enough depth to go in and drill just about any hole that you'd need for anchoring. Now hooking these up and using them is very simple. All you have to do is have a vacuum. Here we are using the Bosch VAC 090A. Hook that up, connect up to some power, and as you start drilling your hole, the vacuum will automatically turn on, allowing this bit to start sucking up the dust. You're sucking up enough dust that you could use this in an interior office space while other people are working around you, and you would not put any dust in the air. There is a very slight amount that comes when you initially start to drill, but after that, you have an amazingly clean process. Now we put a scope down these holes. We can show you all the way down to the bottom. If you're anchoring, you can simply put your anchor in immediately after drilling without having to brush the hole, blow it out with compressed air, or vacuum around it. Very cool. So if you're anchoring anything either with a compression style anchor fitting, or if you're actually going to use some sort of chemical or adhesive, these holes are ready to be anchored to immediately. Coming in to take a closer look at these bits, you can see that the vacuum port is a friction fit, slides right in and slides out. If you look close, this is a 3/4 bit that is made in Germany. Now on this 3/4 bit, the dust ports are in the end. There's one on each side. That allows the vacuum to suck everything up, and there's a hole on the inside to pull all that dust out. This is a 9/16 inch bit, and the ports are on the outside, and the same philosophy goes. There is a hole in the center that the vacuum will suck the dust clean. These are very effective bits at keeping the dust out of the air and keeping your holes clean. Not having to go back and brush or blow out a hole with compressed air is very important in getting that anchor tied down fast. So that's going to make contractors money, but what's more important, even if you're using this bit alone and not using it to anchor something, or if you're just tying two things together, is that this vacuum and the ports in these bits will draw out the dust, reducing friction while you're drilling, allowing that hole to be drilled faster. We've seen it over and over again when we put these up against other drills that you can drill faster with the Speed Clean bits than you can a normal style bit, even if you use a vacuum dusting extractor around a normal bit. Can't say enough good about these Speed Clean bits, and if you're working indoors or you're working around other people and you want to keep them safe, these are great options. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and give us a like on this video. Also follow us on social media. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.